Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Your girl really been overwhelmed, and I think one reason why is because my room is a mess. You could tell by my face. My room is a mess. I really need to clean up my space just so I can feel more like myself. So we're just going to be cleaning up today. Definitely got to start with some tunes, and we're going to get right into it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. For today's journal prompt, we're actually going to take some action, and we're going to clean up one thing that we have been avoiding before the new year. We're going to do a new year deep cleaning instead of a spring cleaning. Do you hear me? So yeah, let's get the tunes on. Get up off your ass and get to cleaning. Yeah, go put your maid outfit on. Hey maid, I see you in your maid outfit.
Even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is, I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Get it together.